Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to check PC, laptop specs on Windows. Follow the steps in this video to find out your laptop specifications. The first step. Click Start below. Then click this settings icon. Here you will see the specifications of your laptop, starting from device name, processor, installed RAM, and so on. Okay guys, that's how to check PC, laptop specs on Windows. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get the latest notifications from this channel.